Okay, so I've recently just purchased this RGB light tube. RGB, like I said, so it can turn red, green, and blue. A tube that can turn different colors. It's also Bluetooth connective. So let's unbox this thing and I'll show you what's inside. So straight away, what we get is a box. We get the actual LED light tube here. This is an extension of the actual LED light. It's a stand, which is super useful. You can stand up, take that off, and basically if you put that on, it's great that it comes with a stand because now I don't have to stand it up. You turn it on and off this way. Might not have a battery in it. It has a battery in it, 3 full bars. It's got that LED lighting. Basically on the back, you have these options to change the color temperatures. So you could plus it to change the temperature more of the red lighting. See how that's more powerful? That's how powerful it gets. You can also change the color temperature. There we go. That's to change the color temperature. So I can change the color temperature to more of a blue. So if I put this up against the wall, there we go, that's the blue. And change the color temperature to however I like it. So yeah, I highly recommend this because it's so cheap. It's only $97 and it can do all this stuff. It's fantastic. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention while doing this video is if you press this M button, it will change the settings as well. So as you can see, different settings here where it changes colors automatically. I think it was this one. Yeah. So it changes colors like a cool LED light tube. Alright, so the Bluetooth connectivity is super simple. Basically, all you have to do is use the QR codes from this paper and connect it to your phone, and then it just lands on the page. And basically you download this app called Light System. You tap on that, and let's say you want to turn it on and off. Literally, that's all you have to do. That's crazy. If you want to turn it up full, that's how you do it. If you want to change the color, you can change the color temperature that way too. This is so useful. More visual using the app, so I would highly recommend downloading this app. It's just insane like what you can do. Has a couple of presets, cozy, romantic, sweet. So you can find like your favorite color using this wheel. So you have different settings. So you press this, drop down, and basically you can pick a color. Let's say you want to pick this color. Let's say pick that, and then takes a photo of that color, and then you go confirm. That is crazy, and then it matches it. Thunder, what? So you can do cool effects using that. You can customize it too for speed. You can play around with this for ages and just keep going.